Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the RSI indicator. The Relative Strength Indicator, RSI, is a technical indicator that measures stock price changes to help evaluate if the stock is overbought or oversold. The RSI has a number system from 0 to 100. Anything above 70 is overbought, and the indicator turns to a red color. Overbought means that the investors are buying the stock. Demand is high, and the price is increasing. Supply and demand. Any number below 30 is considered oversold. The indicator turns to a green color. Oversold means that investors are selling the stock. The stock price is decreasing. Again, supply and demand. Any number between 31 and 69 is considered to be in the middle. I only sell stocks when the RSI is above 70. Overbought and in red color. Investors are buying the stock. The stock price is increasing and demand is high. My strategy is this: buy low when demand is low, the stock is oversold. Sell high when demand is high, the stock is overbought. This simple strategy helps me to buy a good stock at a bargain price and sell it when I make a reasonable profit. As you can see, the RSI is an investment tool that is easy, fast, and reliable. Try it yourself. Just go to companyvalueinvestor.com. Thank you for your time. Please consider subscribing. Tap the bell for notifications. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up.